G'day, I'm Robin from Equip2, and in this video I'm going to show you the functions on the Keestrack K3 remote. Start off with, we need to make sure that we have our X12 connector plugged into our wireless receiver. So we're going to remove our umbilical cord and plug in our receiver to the X12 connector. Then to turn on the remote, we turn the blue dial. It will pop out. It will come up displaying Keestrack and start by pressing 9 and 10, the bottom two buttons. Hold them right down, it will beep, let it go, and it will log in. Once our remote is on, we'll see our battery percentage there and our reception. Also on the remotes, to activate the tracking, we fully depress the top two buttons down. For 3 seconds, let it go, and our tracking icon will come up. Each button has a position, our first position, which is our first click, and our second position, which has our second click fully depressed. To change, we can also change our speed on our remotes by fully depressing our MCL. It will come up with a display, and then pushing plus or minus to change the speed. This can be done on the MCL, right side conveyor, and our apron feeder. Also on the remote, we can fully depress the auto button when the machine is running, and that will do an auto start on our machine. And that is how you operate the remote on a Keestrack K3 machine.